Now start weight loss yoga. Slowly lift your full body up, hand back and head up. Inhale, exhale down. And slowly again inhale, lift your upper body, exhale down. Inhale, lift your upper body and then exhale down. Next asana, lift your only leg up and down. Inhale up, exhale down. 1, 2, inhale up, exhale down. 2, 10 times. Inhale up, exhale down. 3. Next, bridge pose variation. Start slowly, lift your left leg up and slowly upper body straight and lift your hip up. Inhale, left leg is straight, stretch your toes outside and slowly exhale, hip down. Again, same, left leg is straight up. Inhale, lift your hip up slowly and exhale down. Now last time, inhale, lift your hip up, left leg is straight, stretch outside, hold 2 count and then slowly exhale down. Okay, now next, slowly lift your both arms up, okay, and inhale, lift your upper body, touch your ankle, your leg and exhale, slow down. Again, now inhale, lift your upper body up and touch your leg, touch your ankle and slowly exhale down. Okay, now last time, inhale, slowly lift up and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and exhale. Now next, Markatasana twisting pose and start. Slowly up right leg and turn left side and look right side. And slowly and change your leg. Lift your left leg up and slowly and go right side. Catch your feet, catch your toes and look left side. Twisting pose, hold. 1, 2 and 3 and relax.